Hello and welcome to the first episode of how to make your own Discord bot. So, we're going to obviously talk about how to do this. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download Node.js, some text editor of some sort like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Atom, stuff like that. For this case, I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code. Then also you're going to need Discord.js. I'm going to show you how to install Discord.js into. So first of all, you're going to want to cd into your place in the Node.js command prompt. So you have just search Node.js command prompt, it'll come up, and you will want to cd into your bot's location. For me, that's here, so it's just cd, then the path. Then you're going to want to do npm install discord.js as it says there, and it will install it. I've already got it installed, so it'll do really quickly. It might be an idea for you to do npm init, which will initialize your npm things. So npm init, and it will just do like bot version description, a Discord bot made with Discord.js, something along those lines. You don't have to do this, you could just enter through it, and then it's just all that, and then it will do that. So there's some things we're going to need to do to set up. So one of these first things that we'll need to do is make sure that our code is calling for the Discord.js. Without doing this, it won't work. So we're going to call for Discord.js. So it's going to be const discord equals require discord.js. This will call in all the parameters for this will bring in all the modules that are required to make Discord.js run. After this, we're going to want to make sure we have the client. So const client equals new discord.client. Now we're going to want to set our token, set login token. So that's going to be const token. It's going to be equal to your token. Obviously, in my case, I'm actually going to put a token in there. Not that. Jesus. So you're going to want to go to your developer portal. You're going to want to make a new application. Go over to this bots tab. There'll be a button that says build a bot or add bot. I've already done that. So you're going to want to copy its token. You don't want to share this with anyone else, which is why when I put this on GitHub, this will just say your token here. End that off. Then we're going to want to log in to Discord. That's going to be client.login in brackets token. That's going to log us in, but we might want to know when our bot actually turns on. So we're going to put client.on ready. You want to do that, and then make the little arrow and a curly bracket. Then we're going to want to say console.log. Press the tilde key, it's the one next to your 1 and above your tab. Logged in as $. You don't have to do this, you can just make it whatever you want. You can make it say pineapples for all you care. But as you can see here on the documentation, you could do client.user.tag. So client.user.tag, and that will work, hopefully. And that is basically all you need to do to make your bot function. So if I just clear this out, if you do the npm init and send the source thing to the right file, you can just run with node space dot, and as you can see, it's logged in as YouTube tutorial bot 1947. Otherwise, you could do node index.js, and this will also log you in successfully. So, I hope this is helpful. In the next episode, we're going to be going over new members. After that, it's going to be commands. Then after that, message embeds. If you have any further queries or want any help with anything, leave a comment below. I will hopefully respond to it, maybe with a video, maybe just talk to you about how I could help you. Feel free to message me. I'll subscribe, please, and follow my Twitch. I'll be doing code streams every Saturday. I hope this helps you, and I hope you learned something.